This video shows you how to reset the oil change message on your Jeep Wrangler JK. The first thing you'll do is put the key in the ignition and turn it to the on position, which is not the crank position, it's one before that. With the key in the on position, you'll go ahead and depress the gas pedal 3 times all the way to the floor slowly. 1, 2, 3. Then you'll come back and turn your key back to the off position and remove the key. The next thing to do is to start the vehicle and make sure that your change oil message has disappeared.